Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with another video for you guys. This one is a refreshing, cool beverage for you. I have a cucumber, ginger, and mint agua fresca. Super simple, just gonna need a blender and some time. So, into our super high power speed blender. Gonna take some Persian cucumbers. You can use Hot House, you can use Farmer's Market, you can use the ones that you grew in your backyard that you don't know what to do with. This is the perfect drink. It's like that new flavored sports beverage that's in the gas station or grocery store that your kids may or may not like. Maybe green. This is the better version because it's no added sugar. You're not putting those things in your body that we don't need. So, 3 cucumbers, 1 inch or 2, about that much of my finger, so it's probably 2 inches of ginger. This is 15 mint leaves because I picked and counted them myself. Don't believe my producer. He did not do it. I did it. This is a half a cup of agave for the sweetness. Because we're not using that granulated sugar, we still need some sweetness. The cucumber is going to provide some sweetness, but not the sweetness that we need for this particular beverage, especially if we're trying to make it like those sports drinks. This is 2 large limes juice, so it's about a cup of lime juice. So we have cucumber, ginger, mint, lime. See where I'm going with that? To this, we are going to add 2 cups of filtered water. And now we blend until smooth enough. Very carefully, without spilling on your surface, we are going to pour our mixture through a strainer. Very slowly. Okay. And you can slowly, with a spatula or a spoon, kind of scrape and push around the pulp that has started to collect. And then once the liquid is done passing through, you're going to repeat this process for a few times. This is to ensure that we're getting the maximum flavor, but none of the pith, the bitter pulp that is left from the ginger, from the mint, from the cucumber. Okay, so we have this green juice with foam on the top, and it does not look like a delicious, refreshing sports drink like he said it would, because we're not done yet. Back into our larger container blender that has been cleaned, we are now going to pour our agua fresca mixture back, adding the remaining 2 cups of water that we had. It looks a little better now, doesn't it? In true traditional agua fresca fashion, we're going to pour this over a nice cup of ice. Spilled over the edge, but that's fine. Bang, 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 bang. So this looks much better, doesn't it? Refreshing, it looks delicious, it's green, it's vibrant. You haven't tasted it yet, but I hope that you do. So if you like this recipe and would like to see others like it, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the little bell icon in the corner, and follow us at www.dherbs.com/Chef RedBeard. Cheers.